Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make shrimp with coconut milk. Start by prepping shrimp, peeling and deveining them, and measuring your coconut milk and spices. While the aromatics heat, mix a light marinade to enhance flavor without overpowering the shrimp. Sauté gently until the shrimp turn opaque and the sauce thickens slightly. Finish with a squeeze of lime and fresh herbs, then serve over rice or get everything laid out before you start cooking to make the process smooth and stress-free. Measure coconut milk and set spices in small bowls, then prep shrimp so you can cook without pause. Heat your skillet first so aromatics bloom quickly and release their oils. A hot pan helps the shrimp sear lightly before soaking up the creamy sauce. Taste and adjust seasoning at the end for a balanced result. Begin by searing shrimp in a hot skillet just until they become opaque and curl, taking care not to overcook. Remove shrimp, then deglaze the pan with a splash before adding coconut milk and spices. Simmer on low until the sauce thickens and concentrates, then return shrimp to warm through. Finish with a squeeze of lime and fresh herbs for brightness. Serve immediately to enjoy the best texture and flavor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.